there, I'm Jeanette Lane, a craft designer at CraftStash, and in today's video I'm sharing an unboxing and a demonstration of the Sizzix Big Shot Express. So here is the box in all its glory, and I'm also going to be sharing a few extra Sizzix products that I think you're going to love. So I'm going to rotate the box so that you can see it. I feel like if I put it right in front of me, it's just going to be me and my head over here. So I'm going to just turn it around. Hopefully I already showed you that side. So here is the box, and if you're not familiar with the Big Shot Express from Sizzix, it is an electronic die cutting and embossing machine. So it differs from the Big Shot and the Big Shot Plus, and also the Big Shot Fold Away, which are all hand cranked machines. Okay, so I'm going to open up the machine, and let's see here. It's upside down. I hope this is gonna open up the right way and nothing's gonna fall out and break. So here we go. Oh, all right. So there it is, all packaged safely in some styrofoam. This is the part that's tricky for me because the styrofoam sound, styrofoam on styrofoam, hurts my teeth. It gives me the, and what is that word? The heebie-jeebies. So we're going to slide out all the contents. And Jeanette is going to, I should get some earplugs. That's what I should do. Okay, so we're going to pull this out. Oh, I made a squeaky sound. And I'm going to set the box aside. Okay. So I see the plug there, and I'm going to put this styrofoam on the ground, and then we're just going to slide our machine out. Oh, okay. We've got all the platforms underneath. We've got, no! Sorry. Let me remove this tape here. That's what's holding in all of our little plugs here that we need. Bear with me one moment. Okay, so here's the machine and all the plugs. These are the platforms that we need. Now, something that you want to bear in mind is that the Big Shot Express is an electronic die cutting machine. So unfortunately, this item only has a UK plug, and it comes with a EU adapter as well. But we can't ship this anywhere outside of the UK or the EU for that reason. So just something to be mindful about in case you're thinking about the Sizzix Big Shot Express. All right, so I'm going to remove this tape, all this packaging, and slide out our platforms. Whoops. All right, so here is an extended platform, and then we have the extended thin die adapter for our wafer thin dies, and also the Sizzix thinlets, framelets, and triplets. Now, what I love about the Sizzix branded machines is that it comes with the directions here printed for all your different sandwiches and platform combinations that you need for your die cutting and embossing. And we also have a user manual and 2 cutting pads as well. I love fresh, crisp and clean and clear cutting pads that haven't been cut into. They're so nice. They're so fun. I wish that they would stay like that forever. Okay, so it's time to plug our machine in. So let me take these little twist ties off. Okay, so I'm plugging this one in there into the adapter. And then this is going to go on this side of our machine, and I think it's on this side. Where is it? There it is. There's where you plug in the adapter. And then we can plug this into our wall. So I'm gonna put the plug is to my left. Like I mentioned earlier, the Big Shot Express is an electronic die cutting machine. So you don't have the hand crank here. All you have is this little button here, which we're going to turn on. So it goes forwards and it goes backwards, which is great. And it's actually really quiet. Let's see how loud it is when we put our dies and our materials to be cut. Now, because this is an electronic die cutting machine, you don't see the crank that's usually on any Sizzix manual die cutting machine. So we have this button here for going forwards and backwards with your platforms. And because it's motorized, what's great is that this is so helpful for users with limited mobility. And because it's portable, you can just pick this up. It's got the handle still, so you can easily pick it up. And the machine weighs 9.6 pounds. Okay, so let's get to die cutting. Now there are no dies included with the Big Shot Express. Actually, let me remove this plastic right here on this handle because it's bothering me. You can leave the plastic on, I guess. I don't know if anybody leaves plastic on things anymore. Let me know if you do. Absolutely no judgment whatsoever, but just in case. Okay, so I have this steel rule die from Sizzix. This is the Essential Shapes steel rule die. So this cuts thicker material, and we're going to use that first with some felt. Like I mentioned earlier, I had some extra Sizzix products to share with you. Now these are available on the CraftStash website, and this is a 10-pack of felt sheets. And what's great is all these colors that are included, all the colors of the rainbow, I think, yeah. And so we've got some great options. And what I love about the steel wool dies is that they can cut thicker materials like multiple layers of fabric, leather, balsa wood, and felt. So I have my steel wool die here, and then I'm going to grab some felt. So let's do these. And what I want to mention is that this is a 6-inch wide platform. So you want to make sure that all your felt and also your dies and embossing folders are less than 6 inches. Otherwise, they're not going to fit in the machine. So first we have, for our sandwich, for our steel roll die, we have our cutting pad. And then we have our felt, our material to be cut. So I have 2 layers of felt here. And then our steel roll die, blade side down, plastic side up. And then we're going to roll this through, we're running it through because it's an electronic die cutting machine. So here we go. I think forward means it's gonna go that way. Let's go, here we go. Nope. Oh, I had to just push it in just a little bit more. Okay, so yep, forward machine, there it goes. It stops whenever you lift up your finger. Just touch of a button. Nice. Okay, and then it comes out the other side. Now I'm really impressed with how quiet the motor is. Like, yeah, I don't know, maybe because the microphone might pick up the audio a little bit louder than it is, but it's a really quiet motor, so that's kind of cool. All right, so here are all our die cuts. We got our hearts, our butterflies, our more butterflies, this little fleur shape here. I think that's our little flower stem. And look, it cut through the 2 layers of felt. How fun is that? Okay, so I'm gonna set that aside. And let's cut some more stuff because I'm so impressed with how quiet this motor is. So let me try this with a wafer thin die, because sometimes those, when they go through any die cutting machine, they kind of crank, they kind of pop a little bit. I'm sorry, they pop, and so I want to see if it makes that same sound. Now for our wafer thin dies, we need our extended platform and then our extended thin adapter die. And then we're gonna put our cutting pad on top of that. Our piece of cardstock, here I have some cardstock that's cut to 6 inches wide. And then I have some wafer thin dies. These are from the Apple Blossom April Daisy set. So I'm going to take some of these out and just arrange them on top of my cardstock. Sorry, I'm just gonna use these, okay? And then we're gonna put our last cutting pad on top. Let me turn this kind of that way so that you can see the full effect. All right, so we want to go that way. So we're just going to push the button and push here on the right, and away it goes. And if I lift up my finger, the machine stops. So resuming die cutting, and it also goes backwards. So forwards and backwards, and it did do a little pop, but not as loud as the usual Big Shot. So that's kind of cool. Nice. Well done, Big Shot Express. So here are all of our die cuts that we've done so far using wafer thin dies. And what I want to do next is, again, go back to the steel rule die, and I want to die cut some fabric. Sizzix has this lovely fabric pack. So there are 8 assorted patterns in here. Look at everything that comes inside. So let's open this up and use it with our steel rule dies. Okay, so here is my fabric. Let's see, this is kind of folded onto itself, so I want to see how many layers this is. So it's 1, 2, and then it's folded on itself, so it's 4 layers of fabric, and I'm not going to cut off this excess. So here is my cutting pad, and then I have my fabric, and then my steel rule die on top. Now, if you want to cut the other way, if you want to put your steel rule die, blade side, felt side up, and then your fabric on top, it'll still cut. So let me show that way to do it. And then I have my second cutting pad on top, and we're just going to roll this through. Gosh, I keep saying roll. I just mean run this through our machine. Here we go. So again, that's 4 layers of fabric. Let's see how we did. Nice. So there's that. This one is sticking just a little bit, this last layer. Okay, so we have our butterflies, our flowers, our heart shapes. There's a butterfly stuck to the die. We have our little, I think these are stems, or maybe they're flourishes. I'm not 100% sure. They can be used different ways, which is always a good thing. And then this little last butterfly here is just stuck literally by a thread. So you can just grab some scissors or pull it gently. Okay, so it can cut through multiple layers of fabric, which is fantastic if you are a quilter and you have some steel rule dies for quilting, which there are some available on the market. Now, if you want to cut fabric with wafer thin dies, you can. You might have to do it a few times, run it a few times through the machine, and you can only do 1 layer of fabric at a time, just to make sure that it cuts through. So if you do die cut a thinlet die or a wafer thin die with fabric, make sure that you're only using 1 layer at a time so that you can ensure proper cutting. Now, what's great about cutting fabric with your die cutting machine is, of course, you can add these to a card front just as a little textured detail for added interest, but you can also iron these onto other fabric projects. So Sizzix has some great adhesive iron-on sheets in case you do want to add your die cuts to any fabric. Now, what's great about these adhesive iron-on sheets is that they're easy to sew, they're ideal for embellishments, and they are activated with a low heat iron, and you can also wash them. So they're machine washable at 30 degrees. So I'm looking at our negative pieces here that our dies created, and what I love is that dies are also great for stencils. And if you would like to create quick and easy stencils with your dies, then Sizzix also has this stencil film. This stencil film pack comes in sheets of 10, and when you feel the film, it feels almost like vellum. It has that same look and feel like vellum, but it's a lot more durable, and it's perfect for, again, creating stencils from your dies. Now, besides cutting steel rule dies and wafer thin dies, the Big Shot Express machine can also emboss. So here I have an embossing folder and some cardstock. So I'm going to put the cardstock inside of my embossing folder. And like I mentioned, the Big Shot Express also takes embossing folders and any dies, but you have to make sure that they aren't wider than 6 inches. Now for this one, we don't need the extended thin adapter, so I'm going to set that aside. So I have my extended platform, and then I need 1 cutting pad on top of that, my embossing folder with my cardstock and another cutting pad, and then we're going to run it through our, run it through. Some habits are hard to kick. So we're going to run this through our Sizzix Big Shot Express. I'm seriously very impressed with how quiet this machine is. Okay, so we're going to reveal our beautiful embossing. So there is that gorgeous embossed texture. Flip that over, you can see both sides have been embossed. Perfect. I'm really impressed with the Big Shot Express machine, electronic die cutting machine from Sizzix, and hopefully you'll see me using it in an upcoming video tutorial or two. The machine is available on the CraftStash website, which is craftstash.co.uk. Also, make sure to check out the other Sizzix products that I shared, like the stencil film, the felt packs, the iron-on adhesive sheets, and there was something else, the fabric, the gorgeous fabric as well. I'm Jeanette Lane, and I'll see you in a video real soon. Thank you so much for watching.